Hey, what's good, fellas? It's been a minute. I took a little break. Sometimes you gotta step back, recharge, and level up. But now, I'm back and hitting harder than ever with more game and more value to help you turn your potential into pure fire. While I was gone, I wasn't just chilling. I've been working on new projects to build Rich Boy Entertainment bigger and better for you. And I got something major to share, my brand new ebook, The Modern Man System 7 Daily Habits to Build Confidence, Discipline, and Purpose. It's live right now on my website, the RICHBOY 903, and soon you'll be able to find it in hardback, softcover, and Kindle on Amazon. Gentlemen, I wrote this book because I know what it's like to want more, to want to be more, but it doesn't happen by accident. It's all about daily habits, so let me break down the 7 habits every man needs to lock in, starting today. Habit 1, wake up early. I'm not saying you gotta be up at 4 a.m. like some Navy SEAL, but stop hitting snooze. Mornings are when the winners set the tone. Number 2, move your body. That means work out, stretch, or just get outside. A strong mind lives in a strong body. Number 3, plan your day. Every boss I know writes it down. If you don't run your schedule, it'll run you. Habit 4, read every day. Skip the toxic news. Feed your mind with knowledge that builds, not breaks. Number 5, show gratitude. Take a minute each day to recognize what you've got. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. 6, reach out. Network. Who you know matters, fellas. Don't be an island. Habit 7, reflect at night. Before you crash, review your day. What did you accomplish? What do you need to correct? Look, these habits are simple, but they transform you if you stick to them. That's why I dropped the ebook to give you the blueprint, the mindset, the system. So if you're ready to stop watching from the sidelines, hit up my website, RICHBOY Entertainment 903. The link is in the description box. Grab a copy of the Modern Man System today. Build your confidence, discipline, and purpose, and watch your whole life change. This is your time, my friend. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the grind. Welcome to 2026, and welcome to the new era of Rich Boy Entertainment. Let's get it. Let's get it.
You've got yourself something funky.